So the tools you'll need, it's a drill, a pencil, a drill bit. It's a 3/16 drill bit, a screwdriver, measuring tape, and some masking tape, and I will show you why you need the masking tape. And then you're gonna need also these mounting tabs. The reason why, if you are not 100% sure the location, this is gonna make it easier to visualize it, the location where the handle or knob it's gonna go. So the way I do it, just put it like that, and then you can put it like in the middle, or some people likes to have it up here, so it's just a preference. So that's what I use those tabs for. They're coming pretty handy. So the first thing you're gonna do, you just put this masking tape, and the reason why it's so hard to see the pencil mark, and so we have 17 3/4, divided, that's in half, it's gonna be 8 7/8, and make sure you just flip your measuring tape so you are 100% sure you're right and you're mat. And then the next step will be the distance in between the holes, for where the screws goes. So it's gonna be 2.5. Okay, so if you're gonna go 2.5, and then you go 1 and 4, then you go this way. So see, it just matches, so that's good. Now we're gonna see the middle and height, so it's 6 inches, so that's gonna be 3 and 3. Now you'll get your 3/16 drill bit. This is a Brad Point drill bit. The same thing, we're gonna put this masking tape, so much easier to see it. So this one I usually do 2 from the top, 2 from the side. So that's where it's gonna go. Also, just make sure when you drill it, before you drill it, you want to open the door and make sure nothing is behind. So that's how you do it.